So again, I Anjum Bhati Nirban welcomes you to join the class of English Literature. Okay, class. So today we are going to start our next exercise of lesson 2. It is related to pronouns. So for getting it I have a video. Have a look.
Mother, that is my friend Samyak. Samyak, this is my mother. You wanted to meet her, right?
Hi, Auntie. I love the food that you give Soumya in her tiffin. It is so yummy.
I know. Soumya told me about it. Here, this box is all yours.
So kind of you, Auntie. Thank you.
Chicks, you know that a pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Did you notice the pronouns in the conversation? Let me point them out for you. The words I, you, her, and it are personal pronouns. The words that and this point to friend and mother. They are demonstrative pronouns. The words yours shows that the box belongs to Samyak. It is a possessive pronoun. I will write some incomplete sentences in your notebooks now. Complete them using pronouns. Dash are my shoes. Our neighbors own the black car. The black car is dash. Dash like to eat mangoes. Dash is a colorful beach hat. Pass this book to Resha. It is dash.
So class, what did we get? We get pronoun. Okay, what is pronoun? Pronoun is a word used instead of place of noun. कि noun के place पर जो words use होते हैं, that is called pronoun. It have many kinds like personal, possessive, demonstrative. Among all these kinds in our book, there is the description of demonstrative pronoun. So in our book, this exercise related to demonstrative pronoun. So read these sentences. This is Robin. That is a swallow. These are dirty cups. Those are pretty dresses. Now you can see over here in your previous classes, you have already learned about demonstrative pronoun in the sense of this, that, these, those. You all know that what is this and where we use this and that. What is these and those, where we use them. And जहाँ फार चीजें होती है, दूर दिखाई देने वाली चीजें होती है, उसके लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं? That is singular. Okay. And for दूर की चीजें जो प्लूरल होती है, उसके लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं? Those, है ना? और हमारे पास जो हमारे नियर बाय होती है, उसके लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं? As a singular we use this, as a plural form we use these. Okay class. So this, that, these, and those are demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns point to specific thing. किसको point करते हैं? Specific thing यानी particular main things. This and these are used to refer to a person or a thing near the speaker. As I have told you, हमारे पास वाली चीज के लिए जो स्पीकर बात करने वाला जो हो रहा है, जो बता रहा है, सेंटेंस बोल रहा है, उसके जो नियर बाय थिंग्स होगी वो उसके लिए हम क्या यूज करेंगे? This and these. This is used with the singular noun. These is used with the plural noun. The next is that and those are used to refer to person or things further away, means far away, हमसे दूर, from the speaker. जो बोल रहा है उससे दूर कोई thing या कोई people है, person है, तो उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे? Use that and those. That is used with a singular noun, where those is used with a plural noun. Okay class. So here is the exercise related to demonstrative pronoun. Take the correct demonstrative pronoun in each of these sentences. Now you have clue over there. You can see there are two words. We have to find out a word, okay, which is suitable, which is related to our sentence. First is this or those are rotten apples. So here you can see those or this. हमें यहाँ क्या देखना है? Singular and plural thing. R is used for, R is a helping verb, okay? It is used for a plural sound. So we will tick here those, okay? So we have to underline or tick it. So those is correct answer. Those are rotten apples. Second is these or this are my toys. Here toys are plural in form, okay, and are we use for the plural form, so what will add? These are my toys. These or this is an unbelievable story, okay, it is talking about one story, so this is an unbelievable story. Dash, oh sorry, that or those sounds like an aeroplane. ओके सो यहाँ पर क्या है? एन एरोप्लेन, यानी एक के लिए आया है। और यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं साउंड के साथ हमने क्या ऐड किया है? एस या ईएस। और एस ईएस जब भी ऐड होता है जब हमारे पास सिंगुलर फॉर्म होती है। ओके सो व्हाट विल कम? दैट साउंड्स लाइक एन एरोप्लेन. These oranges are bigger than that or those. Here the speaker is talking about more oranges. These oranges यानी बहुत सारे plural form में orange. So what will come answer is those. These oranges are bigger than those. Next is these mangoes taste bad, but these or this tastes good. यानी यहाँ पर क्या बताया है कि ये मैंगो तो बहुत टेस्ट में बैड है, बट दीज और दिस टेस्ट गुड, यानी टेस्ट आ गया मीन्स एस और ई एस ऐड हुआ है. एस और ई एस हमेशा किसमें ऐड होता है? सिंगुलर साउंड के लिए ऐड होता है. सो हियर आंसर इज दिस टेस्ट गुड, यानी अमंग दीज मैंगो दिस मैंगो टेस्ट गुड. इतने सारे मैंगो में से ये एक मैंगो अच्छा है. These designs are good, but those are bad. Here are is plural in form, so we'll write over here those. Those are bad. Last sentence is look at my shoe collection. I have to buy a new shoe rake to keep dash and that dash these. यानी यहाँ पर शू रेक खरीदनी है हमें, लेकिन किसके लिए खरीद रहे हैं? शूज के लिए. शूज रखने हैं उसको, तो यहाँ पे प्लूरल की बात हो रही है. सो these. So answer is look at my shoe collection. I have to buy a new shoe rake to keep these. So we have completed our this exercise. Now move forward. Listen to the words and concentrate on the sound of the letter PH. So I'll speak these words. You have to listen it carefully. Okay? PH sound पर आपको ध्यान देना है. First is alphabet. Second is pamphlet. Third is prophet. Fourth is pharmacy. Next, nephew, dolphin, elephant, trophy, apostrophe, physician, telephone, phonics. Note that the letter PH in each word above have the F sound. As you can see, we'll read it again. Alphabet. ALPH. So PH including जब हम इसको एक साथ पढ़ेंगे तो किसका साउंड देगा? F साउंड देगा. ओके तो ये जो PH साउंड है इसके बारे में बताया कि आपको इस पर कॉन्सेंट्रेट करना है अपनी प्रोनाउंसिएशन को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए. ओके जहां भी आपको PH एक साथ दिखाई देता है वहां आप क्या साउंड यूज करोगे? F साउंड. लाइक अल्फाबेट, nephew, apostrophe, physician, telephone. Okay class. So related to it we have one more exercise. So class question is fill in the blanks using some of the words given above. यानी हमने जो PH words सुने थे और हमने पढ़े हैं उन्हें हमें यहाँ fill करना है with a suitable sentence. Okay. First is can you get me these medicines from the. Now here the answer is pharmacy. PHARMACY. The meaning of pharmacy is a shop where medicines are prepared and sold. ऐसी shop जहाँ पर medicines बनाई जाती है या बेची जाती है. So our answer is pharmacy. Can you get me these medicines from the pharmacy? The English language has 26 letters in the, you know it very well, alphabet. Okay. The English language has 26 letters in an alphabet. English language we have alphabets. In alphabets we have 26 letters. Okay class? Mohit was talking to her on the telephone yesterday. Mohit किस पर बात कर रहा था? Telephone पर. Here you can see PH sound, right? I was sick, so I had to consult my physician. 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 Who is physician? A person who qualified to practice medicine. Okay, a person who is qualified to practice medicine. तो हम कंसल्ट के लिए किसके पास जाते हैं जब बीमार होते हैं? फिजिशियन. ओके. My brother won a trophy in the competition. As you know, what is trophy? Okay. 6 is I saw an elephant. I saw an elephant during my recent visit to Jaipur. So here we have completed our book exercise. Now class, और भी इंटरेस्टिंग बनाने के लिए मेरे पास एक और एक्टिविटी है आपके लिए. So let's get started that activity. So here's instruction. Select any one of the option to navigate your seaplane. यानी हमें एक seaplane दिखाई देगी. Remember, wrong answer will deplete your fuel reserves. Seaplane का जो fuel है वो कम होता जाएगा wrong answer होंगे तो. So choose your answer carefully and make a smooth landing. हमें क्या करना है? Answer अच्छे सही select करने हैं और उसकी landing भी smooth हो जाएगी. Okay? So हम play करते हैं. Now you all have to give answer your sides from your sides, okay? Fill in the blanks with the correct demonstrative pronoun. Here we have to fill also demonstrative pronoun. Earrings, dash earrings I am wearing belong to my grandmother. These earrings, क्योंकि वो उसके पास है और बहुत सारे, okay? Next is I love listening to the sound of dash bird in the tree. Tree पर है यानी दूर है और bird से बहुत सारे means those trees. Your answer is correct. I love Is dash the time to talk about the mistakes we have made? Is this the time? क्या ये वही time है जब हम इसके बारे में बात करेंगे? So this. These shoes at the store are much nicer than those. ये shoes उनसे ज़्यादा better है. So those. दूर रखे हुए shoes से ज़्यादा better है. Those. I want to show you dash marks on my arm. अब arm हमारे पास नहीं है, हमारे हाथ ही है ना. Where my cat scratched me. So these. Dash was a very hard exam that we wrote last week. हमने last week की बात की यानी दूर का टाइम हो गया. That. I want you to bring that box and place it here in this corner. कि मुझे वो बॉक्स दीजिए और यहाँ इस कॉर्नर पर रख दीजिए. This corner, पास वाले कॉर्नर पे. Okay. Did you eat dash cookies that I gave you yesterday? Means हमने कल दी थी. Cookies are plural, so कल दी है मतलब पहले की बात हो गई. Those cookies. I met dash actor in our town when he was filming a new film. मैं मिला था means पहले की बात है और किससे? एक person से. तो that actor से. Please lend me dash umbrella. Mine seems to be broken. मुझे वो umbrella दे दीजिए, मेरा लग रहा है टूट गया. That umbrella. So well done everyone.